we're gonna learn how to make rock candy homemade. What you need is a wooden spoon, a pan, some cups, water, sugar, food coloring, and flavor. First, you get the water and pour it in. Then you pour in 3 cups of sugar. And it's up to you if you want to use some flavor, which I would, and I'm gonna add some Valentina. That's good enough. And I'm gonna use Tabasco. That's good enough. The words I'm gonna talk about today are solubility, solute, solvent, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution, and crystal. After you have this ready, you stir it up and put it in the stove so it can boil up. After it starts to boil, you take it out of the oven, of the stove. While it cools down, I'm gonna define the words I said earlier. Solubility is the property of a solid, liquid, chemical substance called solute to dissolve in a solid or liquid solvent to form a homogeneous solution of the solute and the solvent. A solute is the component of a solution that changes its state in forming the solution. A solvent is a substance in which another substance is dissolved forms a solution. A saturated solution contains the maximum amount of solute capable of being dissolved under any given conditions. A supersaturated solution is one that contains more solute or dissolves material than it would under any normal conditions. Crystal is a solid body having a characteristic internal structure and enclosed by symmetrically arranged plane surfaces. And last, an unsaturated solution is having a double or triple bond and capable of taking on elements or groups by direct chemical combination without the liberation of another element or compounds. After it's done cooling down some, you take the sticks and get a little bit in there. Then you take some sugar and pour some. You do that to the other one. Also, it's up to you to use some food coloring. I'm gonna use red. That's good. And for the other one, I'm gonna use blue. That's good. After that's done, you get the cup and pour the syrup in it. Like so. And do the same to the other. like so. I added food coloring, so I'm gonna mix it up. That's good. After that, you put the sticks in there. Make sure it doesn't hit the sides or the bottom, or they won't come out as good. Now I'm going to explain how the definitions play a role in this candy thing. Raw candy experiment. The heating the water before adding the sugar allows the sugar to dissolve, thus producing larger crystals. As the water evaporates, the solution becomes more saturated, and sugar molecules will continue to come out of the solution and collect on these seed crystals on the string. Also, when you mix the water and the sugar, you made a saturated solution. That means that the water can only hold the sugar if both were very hot. This candy is formed by allowing a supersaturated solution of sugar and water to crystallize onto a surface suitable for crystal nucleation, such as a string, stick, or plain plain sugar. And then you wait 3 to 7 days for the results. And that's how you make homemade raw candy.